Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If you are working in the pharmaceutical industry, irrespective of any of the department you are working, or you have the manufacturing side, or you are of any level, so let me tell you that on my YouTube channel I make and record the messages which are really very helpful for maintaining the compliance on your side. And if you will apply these simple practices on your manufacturing side, you will be able to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly. Hi, I am Dr. Rupali Paranjape, founder of Blue Ocean Compliance Company, and I am also best-selling author of my book Blue Ocean of Compliance. And recently I have given the TEDx talk on compliance, a way of living, and I'm on mission to transform the pharmaceutical industries and pharmaceutical professionals. And whenever I visit the ocean or beaches, I definitely and positively ensure that I record some message to all my viewers and all my readers of Blue Ocean of Compliance book. So recently I have visited the Goa, and from there I have brought this very beautiful ship, and there I recorded the message for all my readers and all my viewers of Blue Ocean of Compliance. In this video, I have shared the in short, the journey of my pharmaceutical industry, and I have also shared many learnings. It is the informal talk, but while speaking or while talking, when we discuss anything, so those things are imbibed in our thought process, and we whenever we keep on listening something on regular basis, so those things become the part of our habit, and those things become the part of our behavior in our daily life. So I have shared many things related to compliance and related to regulatory inspection in this talk. So I was walking on the seashore of the Goa, and I remembered, and all the readers of Blue Ocean of Compliance, and I recorded many videos when I was in Goa. So this video is one of those videos. So so listen to this and see how the beach is, and with that I have shared the knowledge related to compliance also, so you can enjoy the both things, and another thing is that do not miss to subscribe my YouTube channel, so that you will not going to miss any of my sharing or knowledge sharing video which I specially make or record for all of you. Okay, so watch the video and do not forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel, and also to share. Okay, so let's see what I have recorded for you.
Hello Blue Ocean of Compliance readers, how the reading of your book Blue Ocean of Compliance is going on. By the way, it has been so long that I haven't prepared any video or messages on my YouTube channel. Let me share with you that since last few months I was focused on some other things. Like in January I have given the TEDx talk, and for that I was practicing a lot, day and night. I was only practicing. So I did not recorded any message or any video for all of you. So today I thought that I will record my message to all my followers of my YouTube channel, and will share with them why I did not recorded any message for all of you. By the way, I have come in Goa and I am enjoying the sea. You know that whenever I come to the seashore, so I always remember my Blue Ocean, and I always remember my Blue Ocean of Compliance book, and also my Blue Ocean of Compliance readers, and I always record some message for all of them. And by the way, today I would like to share few things to qualifying the regulatory inspection, and who are new to the inspection, that how the inspection starts. Let me share with you one experience. You know that I have changed many departments. I started my career with quality control lab, and after that for 1 year I was shifted to stability department. Likewise, after completing my stability department, you know, I worked in ADL analytical development lab. There I was developing the methods, learned operating so many dissolution apparatus, and developed the method for particle size. Means in my company, when new instrument of Malvern had come, so I was the first person to develop the particle size methods on Malvern row. So like this, the story of my pharma life was moving ahead, and after that I thought that regulatory affairs will be the area where I will be able to enjoy more and do more and apply more my knowledge. After that I shifted to regulatory affairs department, and after regulatory affairs department I was given the responsibility to look of the plant compliance, right? So in this way the compliance entered in my life, and I was looking after plant. I was totally new to the compliance. You know, I was learning that if the changes happen, so how to address those changes. I mean CB 30 and CB post approval changes. Likewise for European market there are many changes, type 1A changes, immediate notification changes, type 1B changes. So in this way I have studied and applied my knowledge and learned many things, that how the changes are to be addressed, means how to tackle or handle the changes in the regulatory affairs point of view, how regulatory authorities see if we do any change in the manufacturing. So in that way I have came across change control deviation, CAPA, market complaint, and many things. So in this way compliance entered in my life. This is in very short, but there are many things I came across first time in my career. And after that I was heading the regulatory affairs department in another company. After working in that company, then I got the opportunity to be HOD compliance, and I totally immersed myself into the life of compliance. From that point compliance entered in my life, and I was so confused that which area of pharmaceutical industry should I choose, whether I should choose the regulatory affairs, whether I should choose the quality control area, whether to choose compliance as my final career, which is the area I would like to give my whole life. So I thought a lot of things, and I concluded that compliance is the area where I would like to serve more to the society. I will be able to do more value addition to the life of people. So I took compliance as the area in which lifelong I will be working, and I have seen the pain of people at the time of regulatory inspection, that how people are stressed during the regulatory inspection. I thought a lot of things, and I did a lot of brainstorming that what can be the reason, and based on my experience I have spent 22 years in pharma industry. Based on that I got many conclusions that why the audits are so stressful and how we can reduce the stress during the audit. So based on that I written the book Blue Ocean of Compliance, that in that I have written that how there are many factors which are impacting the compliance and we even do not know, and if we will work on those factors, so facing the regulatory inspection will be very easy, and we will be able to qualify the regulatory inspection effortlessly and with no observation. in my last company, when we faced the regulatory inspection US FDA, so we qualified it with 0483. And with one of my client, I worked for more than 1.5 years. They also qualified the regulatory inspection with no major and no critical observations. So my experience and thought process is polished, and I knew many things, that how to work, how to think in fact, so that we can qualify the regulatory inspection with no observation. I have seen social media that there are a lot of people, they are sharing the guidelines. Whenever any update come, they share, and everyone is so enthusiastically. So people receive the guidances, but no one is discussing that how to think to qualify the regulatory inspection. That one thing I have observed. In most of the message, if you will go through my LinkedIn profile, if you will go through my Facebook profile, you will find that most of the time I talk about how to think. Updates are important. Without update, we will not be able to apply the new knowledge which is there in the regulatory affairs. But how to think is also very important. In fact, it is the most important thing, that how to think, how we see the things, and how to apply those thought process on our side, right? So in this way, my life moved ahead in the field of the compliance. I was discussing that how the process and what are the steps the regulatory inspection happen generally. So you know that first of all, whenever the auditor comes, so first thing happens, that is the security give the message and inform to the organization or any responsible people that yes, the auditors have. After that, the first main thing happened, that opening meeting happens, right? In opening meetings, all the company presentations are given, which is about the company, what is the company size, what are the instruments and what are the equipments in the company, what are the products are being manufactured, what are the processes. Means it varies between company to company, that what up to what detail are to be covered in those opening meeting, and all the responsible people, HODs, are introduced to the regulatory authorities who have come for the audits, and after that, based on their strategy, audit happens. Generally, plant round is taken, and in that plant round, the inspection generally started with the warehouse. You know that warehouse is the place from where all the material is sent for the production. How the testing of that material is performed, what are the systems, what are the SOPs, the material is stored, material is received, tested and approved. So all those things we study in the SOPs of warehouse, right? So from SOPs we know how the material is received, how it is stored, and how it is approved, how that material is shifted to production whenever any batch is taken, whether FAFO or FIFO is applied. In this way, that material is sent for the production as a raw material or intermediate. So in this way the process goes. The plant round is started with warehouse, and after warehouse the production QC and all the documents. The slowly things moves for the audit. So in this way, the purpose of auditors is that whether we are maintaining the quality of the product or not, because overall these medicines are consumed by the people, and so the quality of that medicine should be good. So it is ensured in the audit that quality of the material, raw material, and quality of the medicines which are being manufactured and which are going to be consumed by the people finally, those should be of the good quality. So this is the short description of regulatory inspection, and there are a lot of things, but within one message all things cannot be covered. By the way, on my YouTube channel I have already discussed many topics and CGMP practices of any manufacturing plant or manufacturing site. So in this way we shall be keep on discussing the CGMP things. And if you haven't listened to my previous videos on my YouTube channel, so do not forget to listen all these videos one by one, because I have shared a lot of things there also. So with this message, Dr. Rupali Paranjape signing out until we meet again. Bye.